In this video, I will give an example of how to use a simple script to simplify an analysis scratchpad. I've started by opening up the QED.net toolkit, where the toolkit home screen opens automatically. To start, I'll launch a new analysis scratchpad. So as an example, let's say that I want to get the average dimension of a map, or the average of the width and height. To do that in the scratchpad, I would need to add the map's width and height and divide by 2. This is possible to do, but it will add a tool for each arithmetic operation. The script function tool can simplify this by combining all the operations into a single tool, as well as doing more complicated tasks such as performing trigonometric operations or calling custom functions. First, I'll show how I would do this with standard analysis tools. I'll load in an example map, and then run the map stats tool. So first I'll go ahead and hide what I don't need and show the values that I want to be able to access. This isn't strictly necessary, but it just makes it a little bit easier to refer to them. For the sake of this example, I'll compute the width and height from the x and y min and max values, although I can access the width and height directly from the map stats tool. I'll use the subtraction tool to subtract x min from x max to get the width, and then do the same thing for y max and y min to get the height. I will then use the addition tool to add these two values together. And then divide by 2 to get the average value. It's much easier to do this in the script function tool. So to use this tool, I just select the values I want to use. I'll give them names. And then just write a simple expression to compute the result I want. Then click execute. And I see that I have the same result. Of course, I could simplify the original set of tools by hiding the intermediate inputs and outputs. But when I do that, the script function tool is still much simpler than the individual operations. Another benefit to combining the operations is that I can give the script function tool a useful name, whereas the individual operations do not have as much meaning. So I can do something like that, and then that clearly reminds me of what these operations were being used for. So this just scratches the surface of what the script function tool can do. For more information, you can go back to the home screen, click Getting Started, and then click on Using Scripting, or get in touch with one of our applications engineers.